My name is Richard Deacon. I'm mainly a sculptor, although I have been also making prints most of my life as well. I work in a lot of different materials, in a lot of different ways. I draw, and printmaking has also always been interested in me because it's a material process. I like to engage with materials in the work that I do. So I've been doing work around the idea of interference, in drawing in particular. Both a kind of fake interference that you can draw a moire pattern between, when you get two grids overlapping, you can draw in a way that makes a sort of fake moire pattern. But I was interested in the idea of interference coming out of another residency I'd done to do with drawing, when I was talking to some scientists about resolution in electron microscopes, and the point at which the resolution of the instrument becomes so close to the size of the thing that you're seeing that the mechanics start to interfere with what you see. So the reading of the images was a kind of guesswork, and that intrigued me, that the way a mechanism could interfere between you and what you're looking at, that the machine itself was starting to assert itself between the two. The title of the works does refer in a way to the housing projects in New York, which I was in New York. In Singapore, I was interested both in them as structures and in them as social structures, in the way that their occupancy was controlled, so that there was never one, it didn't create ghettos. That I thought was a piece of social engineering that was interesting. Housing is also the name for the container of a machine or outside of it. But it's also important that these have an inside. And the marbling was done both inside and outside. So these are double-sided prints, and in a sense the structure allows the inside and the outside to be there. So all of that sense in which a certain random imagery is a fuel for the imagination exists actually in an incredible number of cultures. An arbitrary pattern or a kind of random pattern is seen as being either a message or a representation of some sort.